Hi guys! In this video, let me teach you how to accurately translate any language to what language you prefer for free. So this website is deepl.com and it is completely free guys. So all you have to do here is type in what word you want to translate or what script. You can also use this to put it on your scripts on your YouTube if you want, or even for personal use. So as you can see, you can uh, go ahead and choose a couple of languages here. So I'll choose Spanish. And for this one, it has different features here, so you can explore that if you want. And just copy it here. And for example, you want to go ahead and use it for a YouTube video and for text to video, for example. And we can use this 11 labs, which I previously shown in the last video. So here you just have to paste this here, so we can go ahead and increase the stability and the clarity as well if you want. And let's just generate this. So just wait for this to finish.
En este episodio se nos presenta a Spider-Man, que lee la llamada rápidamente que la contrata gobernada por el malvado que ha esclavizado a los humanos y mutado a los animales para crear un nuevo orden mundial.
So as you can see guys, it is a very quality voice and a very quality translation. And there. So there guys, that is how you can use this DeepL AI. And there. So thank you for watching guys and goodbye.